So I want to tell you about a time that I helped a client get their first government contract. So this particular client had been in business maybe 6 months. He started a durable medical equipment business to respond to the PPE needs that we had during COVID. So he was doing direct to consumer. There were a lot of needs just with the general population, and also doing some business to business. So finding different organizations that were still open and operating and were in need of PPE. So as he was doing this work, he realized, hey, the hospitals, the schools, different municipal buildings that might have still been in operation, these organizations needed PPE. And so he tried to start, not tried, he started the certification process. He did start the application, but he was not able to complete the application on his own because he wasn't quite sure how to maneuver through the paperwork. So that's when he engaged me. I got him certified, and then I helped him to actually move forward with pursuing these contract opportunities that he knew was there. You know, he knew that they were there, but he didn't know exactly how to get to them. So what we did, we got the certification. We created a capability statement for him. I showed him how to get registered in the vendor portal required for him to respond to the bid or for the contract opportunity, for him to submit a bid on the contract opportunity. And he was actually awarded thereafter. In fact, he did so well after he got his certification in Illinois, he expanded into the Michigan market because, again, there was still a need at this time for the PPE and with durable medical equipment in general. He offered durable medical equipment and PPE. It happened to be during COVID, so PPE was just top of mind for everyone. So as he was able to continue to grow this business, Michigan reached out to him. He was doing good business. Michigan reached out to him to say, hey, we need this service that you're offering to the businesses in Illinois. So then he came back and we got him certified in Michigan. And then he started getting contracts in Michigan, so it was a really great story. And there are many stories that I can tell, but there is a common theme that I see with clients who I work with that not only render my services or render the company services, but actually win those contracts on the other side of it. The common thread that I see is that they're already doing good business. They've already found a market that purchases the products or services that they have. They have good Google reviews. They have good reviews in general. And because of the good business that they're doing, organizations or agencies from the government or for corporations have identified these people and are now asking to do business with them. And so it's their requirement to get the certification so that they can meet what's necessary to do the business. But if you're doing good business already, government and corporate contracts are literally only a step away.